Hello, everyone. So, last month for our June event for Same Sex Wednesday, I completed the last page for our Same Sex Wednesday project for 2021. There are 6 artists. I'm one of them. We each sent the other 5 and then held back a set for ourselves, 6 items. We sent everyone the same 6 items. And each month on the 3rd Wednesday, the hop happens, and we've challenged ourselves to use those 6 items in some form of art. It does not have to be a journal page. I chose to do journal pages, and everyone is doing what they want to do. And it's wonderful to see what everyone does with the same 6 items. Now, I put together this book in 2020 with our last round of Same Sex Wednesday, and I left the back open so that I could add my pages. I work on single pages and then add them into the book later. So I did that, and I am just going to show you our 2021 pages, and I'm going to start with January. This was Jamie Lynn's, or APG Jamie. This was the items she sent us, and I chose to make some tags, and I made some tiny tags and added a photo. The thing she sent just made me feel like I was taking a trip, and I gathered up all of the little odds and ends and turned it into a page, and I really like how this came out. Of course, there is a playlist for all of our pages, and there will be a link down in the description box, but more importantly, there will be a link in a list down there to each and every one of our videos for the video flip for our July event, which is today. These items were from Lisa My Eclectic Life, and it was so funny because I sort of lost one of her items. It didn't come out of the envelope, and I couldn't figure out why I only had 5 items, and I ended up finding it at the last minute, and it was perfect because I had already planned on putting some little tags on this journal card. I really had fun with these. For some reason, this time I ended up making a lot of pockets and tags, which is fine. These items were from Lori. Her channel is Pink Girly, and there was a digi, and I don't work with a lot of digis, but this one was fabulous. I loved it. I added a bunch of washi tape at the at the last minute. I really had fun, and this is kind of like a treasure page where you flip this out and you find a little treasure, and then when you flip this one out, you find another treasure. So I thought that was a lot of fun for that page. That was in March. These items are from Maria at Maria's Miscellany. And what happened is that she sent her items in this wonderful, fun, handmade wallpaper envelope. And it was a big envelope, and I used it to make a sort of a hidden pocket. And I added all of these fun tags. She had also sent us a tag and paperclip, which was actually not part of her 6 items, but I used it, and I thought it went really well with the things that I had. And I created some tags out of her items, and then I again found a way to make sort of a hidden pocket or hidden tuck when I tied this in. Now this could have had journal pages added to it, so it would have been like a journal in your journal. And one of the things she sent was this cute little bird, and I think he's adorable. Now sometimes these pages are kind of easy to do, and sometimes they become very difficult to figure out what you're going to do. I think I had the most trouble with my own items. These items are from Jean Peter. Her channel is Jean Peter Artist, and she sent us this wonderful piece of rust dyed paper, a coffee filter, a little envelope. There was this, she made her note on this little paper, which is so much fun to do. So I was able to use all 6 items all 6 months, which is what I challenged myself to do. And then we were allowed to add things to from our stash. This piece of paper, rust dyed paper, is actually one of my pieces because I wanted something that went with jeans. This is actually a tea bag. So it was very interesting, and I loved this little clip, but it took me forever to figure out a way to use it. And what I found was that I used it to actually hold my big journal card in there. And I really, really thought this came out cute. And this is the last month. These are my items. And like I said, I think I had more trouble actually figuring out my items than maybe somebody else's. I made a tuck out of some wallpaper. I used the wallpaper as a texture. And then I put the feather border on the tuck, and I also took some of the feathers and used it as decoration on my different little projects that I made to go on this page or in this page. I love the way this little notepad came out, and it's made out of a time card. And then I made a couple of tags with my decorative pieces, and I had put in a piece of my rust dyed paper, and that one just said, "Don't decorate me, leave me alone." And so I did. And so these things just tuck into this tuck spot. Now, one of the things I did, and I did this last time too, because quite frankly, at this time I'm filming, I do not know if we're going to play another round of this or not. I have had an absolutely amazing time with it. So I don't know if others are going to. So I did bind my book temporarily. I put no back cover on it, and I have just my binding threads. I can add more binding threads, but I just have them kind of tied up gently so that I can add to my book. As I said, make sure you go down into the description box for Same-Sex Wednesday. The hop list is there. If you follow the very top link in everyone's video, you will circle right back around to here, and all 6 of us are doing a flip, so you'll get to see our completed project for the last 6 months today. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this this series. I hope you will comment on everyone's videos. If you want us to continue this hop, maybe let us know. Let everyone else know that it's been fun to watch. And I hope you have a grand day. So go have fun and make some art. Check out everybody else's videos. Bye-bye.